Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best baby gifts are probably one of the most thoughtful ways to celebrate the arrival of a new life, offering a tangible expression of joy and support to new parents during this incredibly special and transformative time. And as you embark on the journey of selecting the perfect present, remember that it's not just about the item itself, but the love and care it represents, aiming to bring comfort, utility, and a touch of delight to both the baby and the family as they begin their new chapter together. Number 5. Bubzi Co. Baby Hand and Footprint Kit. Never forget those tiny hands and feet. This kit helps you create a lasting keepsake of your baby's early days. Creating this beautiful memory is simple and enjoyable. Just press your baby's hand or foot into the soft clay to make a perfect impression. Display your cherished imprint in a stylish frame. It's designed to complement any nursery decor and add a personal touch. Looking for a unique gift for a new mom? This keepsake frame is a thoughtful and personalized present for baby showers and registries. This kit allows you to preserve a moment in time. It's a beautiful way to remember how small they once were. The clean, fresh white finish of the frame ensures your baby's imprint stands out beautifully. It's a classic choice for any nursery. What we like? This is a wonderful way to capture those tiny hands and feet forever. It's incredibly easy to create a lasting keepsake. If you are looking for a truly personal and sentimental gift for new parents, this is it. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for a baby's delicate skin. The set includes a variety of essential items, making it a convenient all-in-one gift. The designs are adorable and gender-neutral, suitable for any newborn. Number 4. Baby Swaddle Blanket, Ultra Soft Plush Infant Essential. Wrap your little one in unparalleled softness. This plush blanket is designed for ultimate comfort for infants aged 0 to 6 months. It's an essential item for any newborn's needs. Perfect for swaddling and ensuring a peaceful sleep. Looking for the perfect addition to your baby registry? This receiving wrap is a must-have for new parents. Searching for a thoughtful baby shower gift? This beautiful white swaddle blanket is an ideal choice for both baby boys and girls. Designed to provide a secure and gentle swaddle, mimicking the feeling of being held. It helps your baby feel safe and calm. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort with this ultra-soft plush swaddle. It provides a secure and cozy feeling for your little one. If you want a versatile essential that's perfect for swaddling, cuddling, or as a stroller cover, this is a great choice. What people say. The soft cotton fabric is gentle on baby's skin. The set includes a variety of essential items for a newborn. The designs are adorable and gender-neutral, perfect for any baby. Number 3. American Baby Company Heavenly Soft Chenille Sherpa Receiving Blanket. Experience the ultimate comfort with our Heavenly Soft Chenille Sherpa Receiving Blanket. It's designed to be incredibly warm and cozy for your little one. This blanket is your ideal companion for outings. It's perfectly sized for baby carriers, strollers, and all your travel needs. Provide gentle warmth for both baby boys and girls. Its plush material ensures they stay snug and comfortable wherever you go. Measuring 30x35, it offers ample coverage for swaddling or simply keeping your baby comfortable. It's a versatile essential for any parent. Adorned in a charming 3D pink pattern, this blanket adds a touch of sweetness to your baby's essentials. It's as beautiful as it is functional. Discover the perfect receiving blanket that combines luxurious softness with practical warmth. It's a must-have for your baby's comfort and security. What we like? Wrap your baby in Heavenly Soft Chenille Sherpa. It's designed to be warm and cozy for ultimate comfort. If you need a soft, warm blanket perfect for the baby carrier, stroller, or travel, this is an excellent option. What people say. The blanket is very soft and the perfect size for a newborn. The onesie is made of good quality material and fits true to size. The rattle is a cute addition and easy for the baby to hold. Number 2. DEARLOMUM Blue Tiger Play Mat Gym. Introducing the Blue Tiger Play Mat Gym, designed to engage your baby's senses and encourage development. It's the perfect place for your little one to explore and grow. Watch as your baby discovers the joy of the kick and play piano. Each gentle kick rewards them with delightful music and lights, stimulating their motor skills. This activity mat makes tummy time an exciting adventure. With 5 infant sensory toys, it encourages reaching, grasping, and visual tracking, all while strengthening their neck and back muscles. 5 engaging sensory toys are included to captivate your baby's attention. They're designed to promote tactile and visual exploration, aiding in cognitive development. The integrated music and lights add an extra layer of engagement. It creates a stimulating environment that supports learning through play and sensory experiences. Looking for a thoughtful gift for newborns? This play mat is ideal for babies from 0 to 12 months, offering endless entertainment and developmental benefits for both boys and girls. What we like? This play gym offers interactive fun with a kick and play piano. It stimulates sensory development with music and lights. If you're looking for an engaging activity mat that encourages motor skills and sensory exploration for babies, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. The design is cute and attractive, perfect for a baby gift. It is easy to assemble and use, even for beginners. Number 1. Baby Portable Changing Pad. Introducing the ultimate portable changing pad for your little one. It's designed for comfort and convenience on the go. Crafted with soft, comfortable materials, it ensures your baby's comfort during diaper changes. It's a must-have for any new parent. Never forget the wipes again. This pad features convenient pockets to keep essentials within easy reach. Accidents happen, but cleanup is a breeze. Its waterproof surface makes it incredibly easy to clean and maintain. This is an essential item for your baby registry and newborn baby essentials. Make diaper changes simpler and cleaner, wherever you are. What we like? Make changing on the go a breeze with this portable pad. It features a waterproof and easy-to-clean surface. If you need a convenient, hygienic solution for diaper changes anywhere, with handy pockets for wipes, this is an essential for your baby registry. What people say. The blanket is super soft and the perfect size for a newborn. The onesie is made of good quality material and the design is very cute. The rattle is easy for baby to hold and makes a gentle sound. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.